product, everything we sell in these basements is mildew, water resistant products, so you have a worry-free room down here. Once we get done, you never have to think about, you know, is there mold behind those walls? Is there a mold up in the ceiling? Is there mold underneath my floor? So that's a lot of what's going on today, drop ceiling and floor. This job is going really well. We just started this 5 days ago, and we're already to this point. That's a big part of this system too, is we can get in and get out because the product is pre-finished. We don't have to worry about mudding, taping, drywall, sanding, painting, and all that. So you get away from the mess of sanding, but you also get it done quick. We're in and out as quick as we can go, basically. So yeah, so that's what's kind of going on currently. Tomorrow we hope to finish the floor and move on to put some ceiling tiles in and things like that.